Hi, we're gonna make spaghetti with shrimp. Super easy, super quick, and super delicious. We have to cook 1 pound of Iberia spaghetti, just following the instructions of the package. Once the spaghetti is ready, we drain them and drizzle a little bit of oil. We're gonna blend roasted tomatoes, half can San Marcos chile chipotle in adobo sauce, 4 ounces cream cheese, and half a cup of the pasta boiling water. And blend everything well. The next step is saute some onions. We saute the onions in 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic, the shrimps, the sauce. Continue cooking until they change the color. Salt and pepper to taste. We add the spaghettis, we reduce the heat, and let it cook for a few minutes. We add Parmesan cheese and sprinkle with some parsley. Isn't this delicious, inexpensive, and quick to do? We clean the plate, a little more Parmesan, and parsley. Whoa!